Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Whether you've been part of our community through our YouTube channel, our 3 stores, or from the very beginning of our interiors journey, today we're celebrating 10 years of our Suzie Anderson Home Mossv store and sharing some of the looks we've loved creating along the way. When we first walked through the doors of 409 Argyle Street, it was a shell of 3 vacant shop spaces, painted in bold colours with concrete floors and carpet tiles. It had been a bedding shop, a gift shop, a video store, and even a garage. But we envisioned something else entirely, took a leap of faith and signed the lease. Over the next 12 months, Dave and I set out on a mission, working day and night to transform the 400 square metres into an experiential homewares world. It was during this time I discovered something I hadn't known about Dave, that in addition to being an electrician and a drummer, he was also an extraordinarily creative tradesman. Dave constructed walls, inserted old doors, and transformed second-hand finds into architectural statements, while I was busy sanding, painting, and envisioning the layout of each room. Our Labradoodle Henry kept faithful watch through every long day, gently nudging us when it was finally time to go home. We were exhausted but inspired. Meanwhile, beautiful recycled Versailles panels and timber planks were laid, concrete floors were resurfaced, and we endured more than a few days of toxic fumes in the process. Finally, on the 18th of May 2016, we peeled back the brown paper from the windows and opened our doors. Since then, our purpose has always been the same, helping to create a home you love. Whether through design advice, our 5 L's of styling philosophy, creating experiential room setups in our stores, or partnering with beautiful brands made with integrity from both Australia and around the world. All but one of our original team are still with us today, joined along the way by equally talented people, and the community that has gathered around us has grown even more special with time. So we invite you to sit back and enjoy as we look back at where it all began and share some of our favourite looks from the past decade. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of the SAH community. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.